So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to study about the pile foundation. What is pile foundation and what is the necessity of pile foundation? Okay, so let's see. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel and like the video. Okay, and I have uploaded different videos related to our civil engineering. Okay, and I will keep those video link in description box. So I strongly recommend you please visit our channel. Okay, that those video link are provided in description box. Okay, so let's start today video. Necessity of pile foundation. What is the necessity of pile foundation? So first, pile foundation is in the following case. The case where the pile foundation is suitable are those. Okay, so in first number you can see here, when the strata at or just below the ground surface is highly compressible and very weak to support the load transmitted by the structure, then we prefer pile foundation. And second number, when the plan of a structure is irregular relative to its outline and load distribution. Okay, it would cause non-uniform settlement. If a shallow foundation is constructed, a pile foundation is constructed to reduce differential settlement. Okay, the main reason of pile foundation to construct to distribute to reduce differential settlement. For the reduce of differential settlement, the pile foundation is mainly we apply. Okay, and third one is to resist horizontal force in addition to support vertical load. Okay, the pile foundation resists horizontal force in addition to the vertical load. And next one is in fourth number, for transmission of a structural load through deep water to a firm stratum. Okay, and in fifth number, used when soil conditions are such that a washout, erosion or a score of soil may occur from underneath a shallow foundation. And next one is in sixth number, used for resisting uplift force in transmission tower of offshore platform etc, offshore platform etc. Okay, then we use pile foundation. And you can see in 7 number, in case of black cotton soil to transmit load below the active zone, the pile foundation is used for the black cotton soil. Okay, in the black cotton soil we have to transmit load below the active zone. Okay, so we use flat foundation, pile foundation. And in collapsible soil, in the where the soil is collapsible types, then we use pile foundation. So these are the main necessity of pile foundation. Okay, I hope you will understand well. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Now we are going to see pile driving. Okay, what is pile driving? So let's see here, pile driving. Pile driving, we will see four, generally 1 2 3 4 number 4 point about the pile foundation. So first point is hammer driving using guiding frame and hammer device. Hammer driving using guiding frame and hammer device. Next, drop hammer from height using crane. The hammer is dropped using by the certain height using with the help of crane. Single active hammer ram is raised by the air pressure. Double acting hammer rise and down of hammer by the air pressure. Diesel hammer use ram and injection system. Okay, so these are the hammer driving. And now we will see vibrating pile driver. In pile driving, it consists vibrating pile driver, then jetting techniques and partially auguring method. Okay, so this is all about the pile driving. Okay, I hope you understand well. And now we are going to see the construction of pile. Okay, so in this construction of pile, we are going to mainly see about the four driven case place pile, in driven case and in bore case. So I will show you here. This is the for the bore and cast intuitive piles. Okay, so we will study about these two. So let's see in first. And construction of pile. The first one is for driven case or place piles. Okay, forming plug. First one is forming plug. A steel casing is driven into the ground for a small depth. After cleaning the casing, concrete is placed at its bottom and rammed to the form of plug. Okay, and then driving tube. Okay, so driving tube, the casing is then driven by a ram falling through a certain height inside the casing. Okay, this is the work of driving tube, right? And next is forming base. The casing is held and the concrete plug is formed out of testing. Further ramming of the expelled concrete is done to form ball. Okay, forming a shaft. Then forming shaft, the casing is the raised while successive successive changes of concrete rammed in place to form a rough surface of pile. Okay, so this is all about the given case and place pile. Now we will see for the board and cast in situ piles. Okay, for board and cast in situ pile, making hole, forming bulb, reinforcements in position and completed pile. Okay, so we will see for board and cast in situ piles, then we will see the selection of pile foundation. Okay, so first see making hole. Okay, so first one is making hole. The pile is constructed by making a hole in the ground by means of hand operated auger. The under rimmed is then lowered in the cleaned hole. Okay, next one is forming ball. The under rammer is pressed down and rotated due to rotary action. The soil is cut and falls in a bucket. The process is done till enlarged end is formed. Okay, for the forming ball, this process is continued till enlarged end is formed. Then reinforcement in position. The reinforcement case is then lowered. Then completed pile. Completed pile after the reinforcement cage is lowered, concreting is done. Okay, so this is about the four board and cast in situ piles. So these are the two way for the construction of pile. Okay, so first one we discussed for driven and case place pile, and second one for board and cast in situ piles. Okay, so this is all about construction. Now we will see the selection of pile foundation. So let's see here, selection of pile foundation.